Hey there, Tech Explorer. Ever feels like the files you delete are not really gone? You're right. They are still lurking somewhere in your PC. Today, I will show you the why and how behind deleting files completely. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Recycle bin. The origins of deletion. When you delete a file, it doesn't disappear. It just moves to the recycle bin. Wait for you to empty it. Here's how right-click on it. Click on delete, it's still there, easy to recover. So what we are going to do next step here. Just right. Click on it. Empty recycle bin. Even though we can bypass this method, we can simply hold Shift key and then right-click on it. Click on delete and yes. It will bypass the recycle bin method. But here is the catch. Even after this, the data still exists on your hard drive, hidden but recoverable. What we are going to do here. Step number 2, disk cleanup, cleaning the traces. Why use disk cleanup after emptying the recycle bin? Right? Because deleting a file doesn't remove it, it just marks the space as available for new data until overwritten. Those files can still be recoverable. So what we are going to do here next step, open the disk cleanup by pressing Windows plus R key together and then type clean mgr and then hit enter. Now simply you need to choose the drive where you basically have the operating system. Probably it's C drive. Click on OK. And once you are here, click on the Cleanup System Files. Once again, choose the drive click. OK. This time it will take time for scanning files. And once it is done, choose everything from here. And then click on OK, click Delete Files. And that's it. This clears stem files and wipes free space, reducing recoverable traces. But here's another thing you can do. Securely erase. Make it truly unrecoverable. Once your data gone for good, secure erasing tools overwriting those traces with random data. Making recoverable is totally impossible. So what we are going to do here, use built-in options like Windows Storage Sense, or try free tools like CC Cleaner, or Erase, perfect for sensitivity files like financial records or personal photos. What we are going to do, just make it over here until it's finished the job. The thing is, you can use the built-in tools like Windows Storage Sense. You can simply search storage settings once you are here. Go into the storage settings. And then you will see here the Storage Sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files. You don't need like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. Enable this. That's it. And then you need to show more categories. Once you are here, you will see here the temporary files over here. Once the scan is completed, simply you need to choose all the folders, except it's depending on your choice if you are deleting the download files. These are files in your personal download folders. Check this. If you would like to delete everything. This doesn't. Respect your story. Sense configuration. So basically, whenever you are downloading something, it will be over here when you choose this option. It will also delete the files from these folders. So be careful about this. But anyways, after this, once the process is done, you will see here all the files related to your, Now basically, we are choosing here the Windows Update, Cleanup, Microsoft Defender, Antivirus, Thumbnails, and Windows Error Reports, and Feedback Diagnostic. Choose all these. Click on Remove Files and then wait once it is done. Just close it now, that's it now. Nobody can recover the deletion file. But another thing is, this is actually optional. Why not resetting this PC? If your focus is just on file deletion, the steps above are enough. But if you are selling your PC, are worried about saved logins, browser data, or hidden files, a full reset adds an extra layer of security. You can reset your PC. Click on the Windows icon, go into the settings, and then Updates and Security. Once you are here on the right side, you will see here the recovery option. By the way, the same steps on Windows 11 you can perform, but there is few extra things. You need to find the Reset This PC, and then click on Get Started. Now there is two options, Keep My Files, Remove Everything. Now basically we are going for everything. I choose Remove Everything. Getting things ready. How would you like to reinstall Windows Cloud Download and local reinstall? So, in this case, you can go with the local install. I'm not going to do this, just showing you a demo that you need to choose this option to clear all the storage data, login browser history, everything. So go with the second option and then wait and follow the screen prompts. It will help you out. And there you have it. Deleting files completely is not just about hitting the delete key. It's about understanding where they go and how to erase them forever. Got more tech mysteries? Let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. See you next time. Bye-bye.